Hi, thank you for joining me on Pure Joy Tarot. Today we're looking at the oracle of the fairies and the animals. They give great inspiration and self-improvement. So I'm going to do a visualization later on in this video. So stick around and let's see what the messages are today. The Go Outside fairy is reminding us today that we need to go outside. We need to have a look at nature around us and also feel the air. When we stay inside, the air can be quite stagnant and still. So if in our life we're feeling stagnant and still, this fairy is urging us to go outside. Feel the atmosphere of purity, of the sunlight, of the rain, of the wind. Aspects of weather has great analogy on us. Rain being water, sun being fire, wind being air. And just walking on the earth will bring you the earth element. Sometimes going outside is very beneficial if you take your shoes off. There are many people who have realized this because it connects us to the earth. It connects us to be grounded more. So if possible, you can remove your footwear and walk on grass and connect, recharge those batteries of being grounded and earthed. So this is the message from the little fairy today. In fact, she's the queen of fairies. She's teamed up today with the animal spirit Parrot. Parrots also love to be outside. They have many lessons to teach humans. They bring colour into our life. They bring a sense of wonderment in their abilities, the ability to mimic humans, the ability to be very clever. So the message of balance between mimicry and balance and being clever is vital to understand. Perhaps, if you think about it, maybe someone around you is lying and mimicking something that you want to hear. So in a clever way, it can be quite negative. So we need to pay attention to these aspects when we bring the parrot into our life. But their higher purpose is to bring colour and harmony in realising colour has vibration and meaning. So perhaps this is why today it's been teamed up with the Go Outside fairy. Light is colour, light is vibration. So when you choose colour in your life, maybe you're a little bit more mature, simply because if you look at children and then you look at teenagers and then you look at society, what does colour mean to them? Colour is very important. It shows confidence. Parrots and birds will demonstrate colour on their body to attract the opposite sex. So if you're perhaps thinking, oh, I'd like a partner in my life, then what are you actually doing and demonstrating to actually attract that partner in your life? This is another analogy of today's parrot. So going outside may mean in that circumstance. What are you doing to go out of yourself to prepare to attract what you need to attract within your life? So having a look at colour and what we wear may benefit you. So it's like just finding a beautiful colour to meditate on. So going outside, looking at the sunlight, observing what colour is very attractive to you at the moment. Each colour has meanings and significance with each chakra in your body. The Go Outside Fairy is wearing a lovely deep burgundy purple. It's a quite passionate purple. It's surrounding by a higher vibration up the rainbow. It's very close to magenta, which is a sign of love, which is the vibration of purest love, other than white. So we're going to demonstrate a healing aspect of colour. I'd like you to just sit back and relax and really have a look at that Go Outside Fairy. She's having a lot of healing spiritual light. She's a bringer of light. So if you can imagine the white light surrounding us, it's emerging us and being soft and gentle. Then we're going to imagine which colour of the rainbow that we need in our life right now. Is it red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, or is it magenta? Don't use your mental thinking to pick a colour. Just emerge in that white light. Breathe in the white light. And then when you're ready, a colour will appear to you in your mind's eye, in your heart, in your very being. This is a good colour to reflect on. Can you wear this colour today? Can you observe this colour today? This colour has significance in your life right now. Maybe just look at a flower when you go outside of this colour. Really adopt the colour and make it your own. So we thank the parrot for bringing colour into our life, and we thank the Go Outside Fairy for teaching us that all colour is outside and all elements are within us to do that. When we step outside and be in tune with nature, we are getting in tune with ourselves. This is vitally important. So I urge you to be positive and be true to yourself. Look at colour, look at vibration, and have peace. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.